WhatsApp is launching a username feature later this year, letting you add contacts without revealing your phone number. And since reservations have gone live, username impersonation is already an issue. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Usernames very similar to Indian politicians, celebrities, business figures, and public institutions are available. They include India Modi and Shark.actor for Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan, prompting the authorities in the country to ask WhatsApp to put a pause on username reservations. The Indian government suggests that WhatsApp usernames could increase cybercrimes such as online fraud and phishing scams, which are already big concerns in the country. The usernames could allow scammers to operate without revealing their numbers, and if those scammers are impersonating well-known figures, then the problems are compounded. WhatsApp has seen this coming. When announcing the feature, it said that handles for well-known individuals will be reserved for those people, including usernames for politicians, VIPs, and other celebrities. WhatsApp said people are making false claims about reserving popular or well-known usernames. This isn't true. Only the legitimate account owners are able to reserve well-known public figure names. However, it's not clear how many variations of famous names and identities are discovered by this block. It seems that with enough imagination, alternatives can be found. Though, of course, once you start dropping in different spellings, numbers, and extra words, the username impersonation becomes less convincing. It's a challenge that all social platforms have to deal with, including the Instagram and Facebook. With WhatsApp, though, the connection's more direct and the potential scams are now plausible, which may affect the feature's rollout worldwide. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.